Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Proscenic L40 Smart Lever Lock Assembly. A feature-packed smart lock that offers multiple ways to unlock your front door. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. The Proscenic L40 comes with a fingerprint scanner, a touchpad, keycards, traditional keys, and even smartphone control. Priced at $129.99, it offers up to 100 unique user codes, making it perfect for rental units. However, to unlock voice controls and full remote capabilities, you'll need to purchase a $30 Wi-Fi hub. The lock assembly includes both interior and exterior escutcheons, a deadbolt assembly, a strike plate, 2 keys, 2 key card fobs, mounting hardware, and an installation guide. The sleek aluminum alloy escutcheons measure 7.2 by 2.7 by 3.0 inches and sport a midnight black finish. The exterior escutcheon features a 12-button backlit touchscreen keypad, a fingerprint scanner on one end, and a keyway on the other end. The touchscreen includes an anti-peep feature that lets you add extra digits to your passcode for added security. To enable voice controls and remote access, you'll need to get the Proscenic TYGWBS01N Wi-Fi gateway, which costs an additional $30. Unfortunately, the L40 doesn't work with many third-party smart services, limiting its flexibility. The L40 uses the same mobile app as Proscenic's other smart devices. With the app, you can control the lock's functions, set auto lock times, and adjust the lock speaker volume. Installing the L40 can be a bit challenging, as it requires drilling extra holes in your door for mounting hardware and data cables. This leaves unsightly holes in the door, making it less appealing for some users. While the Proscenic L40 Smart Lever Lock Assembly offers multiple unlock methods and reliable performance, its installation process and limited third-party support make it a bit difficult to recommend. For a more affordable and seamless option, we suggest checking out the Bose Aegis Smart Lock, which includes a Wi-Fi hub and supports a wide range of third-party integrations. That wraps up our review of the Proscenic L40 Smart Lever Lock Assembly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more smart home product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.